for making me so doggone blue. I'm sad and lonely and yearning to hold you. You took me, then left me alone on the shelf with no one near me just to cry by myself. I don't regret all the joys of knowing you, but you taught me hate and the feelings so new. That's why I hate you for making me so doggone blue. I really hate you for making me love you. I don't regret all the joys of knowing you, but you taught me hate and the feelings so new. That's why I hate you for making me so doggone blue. I really hate you for making me love